Birds in lake. Birds that inhabit or frequent lakes can vary greatly depending on the location and type of lake, as well as the season. Lakes provide vital habitats for a wide range of bird species. Including waterfowl, shorebirds, wading birds, and birds of prey. Here are some common types of birds you might find in or around the lake. Waterfowl. Waterfowl are often the most abundant bird group found on lakes. This category includes ducks, geese, and swans. Common species you might see include mallards, Canada geese, and mute swans. Herons and egrets. These wading birds are often seen along the shores of lakes. Where they hunt for fish, frogs, and other aquatic prey. Species such as the great blue heron and snowy egret are commonly found around lakes. Seagulls, depending on the lake's location. You may find various species of seagulls or gulls, particularly in coastal or larger lakes. Ring-billed gulls and herring gulls are examples of common species. Terns. Terns are known for their graceful flight and their habit of diving into the water to catch fish. They are often seen around lakes that have fish populations. The common tern and Foster's tern are examples. Ospreys and bald eagles. These birds of prey are often associated with lakes because they feed on fish. They can be seen perched near the water or soaring overhead. Pelicans. American white pelicans are large. Striking birds that can be found on large freshwater lakes. They feed by scooping fish into their pouches while swimming. Migratory birds. Many lakes serve as important stopover points. For migratory birds during their seasonal journeys. Depending on the time of year and the location of the lake. You may see a variety of songbirds, waterfowl, and shorebirds passing through. Waterbirds. Other waterbirds such as coots, grebes, and moorhens can also be found on lakes. Especially those with a mix of open water and vegetation. Ducks and diving birds. Lakes with deep, clear water may attract diving ducks. Like common loons and diving birds like pied-billed grebes. The specific bird species you encounter at a lake will depend on factors such as the lake's geographical location, size, water quality, and surrounding habitat. Birdwatching around lakes can be a rewarding and relaxing activity. Allowing you to appreciate the diversity of avian life that these ecosystems support. Please subscribe our channel.